Luxury meets performance with the pink ASUNA SpaceFlex Motorized Folding Treadmill. Supporting up to 220 pounds, the roomy treadmill deck is equipped with shock absorption technology that reduces the impact on your joints. Test your limits by dashing up to 8 miles per hour with the quick select buttons on the low-profile treadmill. Engage your thighs, hamstrings, glutes, and calves when you push yourself up 12 levels of automatic incline. Stay safe with the emergency stop clip as you check your heart rate instantly with the easily accessible pulse sensors. Then glance at the 6 bright LED screens that display your important workout data. Or control your in-workout media by plugging in via auxiliary cord or USB port for charging to listen to your favorite music via LED-lit speakers. Maintain a steady stride with the adjustable floor stabilizers. Then hop off onto the safety rails when you're finished. Transportation wheels and a foldable design make storage effortless. Work out in style with the pink ASUNA SpaceFlex Motorized Folding Treadmill. Start your fitness journey today. Walking is one of the best forms of exercise on the entire body. Achieve an excellent cardio workout with the SFT1407M manual treadmill. The fixed incline helps you build a controlled momentum to increase calorie burn while providing a low-impact form of exercise. This compact walking treadmill is built with a sturdy frame that requires no plugs or outlets. The smooth, quiet running belt provides enough space and safety for a longer cardio session. The non-slip stability handlebars are here to support you during walks, jogs, or runs. After your workout, use the convenient performance monitor to track your time, distance, speed, and calories burned. After a workout, step off onto the textured side rails. When finished, fold up your treadmill and use the convenient transportation wheels to easily store your compact treadmill anywhere. Health and fitness is a journey, so start yours with Sunny Health and Fitness.
I love high-tech fitness, and the ProForm Performance 600i delivers. The brand new round watts LED display lets me track my progress in a whole new way. It's based on a power algorithm, and the LED lights show me how hard I'm working now so I can compare it to my past workouts. Plus, the iFit Bluetooth smart-enabled technology is incredible. I can choose any trail in the world through Google Maps, and then iFit translates it into a workout and sends it straight to my treadmill. And the deck incline adjusts to match the map's terrain, so my legs know it when I'm running on a mountain trail or a gentle coastline road. The extra long tread belt helps me stretch out my stride when I'm in the zone. I really love the elbow room. Any runner will tell you that cushioning is important. My joints really appreciate the shock absorbers that run along both sides of the Performance 600i deck. And none of this would be possible without the hard-working commercial motor. It's powerful enough to handle any workout you can throw at it.
In less time with the Westlow Cadence G 5.9. This treadmill is equipped with everything you need to lose weight. Featuring 6 built-in workouts designed by a certified personal trainer, the G 5.9 treadmill can help you burn maximum calories, increase performance, and get fit fast. And with the Easy Pulse heart rate monitor, it's easy to get an accurate reading by simply placing your thumb on the sensor built right into the console. Plus, with a 2-position manual incline, you'll increase your calorie burn and reduce joint impact. With 2 incline settings, you can easily personalize your workout for faster results. So what are you waiting for? Get the Westlow Cadence G 5.9 treadmill today and get started on the new you.